Okay, so here's my next hillbilly move, snow kayaking. Not sure how this is gonna work because the back has a bit of a rudder to it. Yeah, it might not work, but I bet if I get a good enough runway, it will. So, those of you who know me well, this probably doesn't surprise you because I'm always not much more than an overgrown kid. Woohoo! Yeah! Rhino cowboy! Whoa! Oh. And there you have it. Alright, that'll save me the trip. I'm going to go put it on my kayak trailer. I used to have a livery with 14 kayaks, and I used to guide people out on the Great Lakes for overnight kayak camping trips. Whew, and taking them snorkeling shipwrecks, and also part of my Angels Among Us youth camp, we always went kayaking on the Great Lakes. Yeah, buddy. Nothing like nature's workout.